Yo, it's Wes. Say less. Cheers, brother. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do inputs, and so you're able to make the coding more fun, so you can enter a value, and how to do if and else statements. But for example, like I said in that last video, string means what's it called? So you're able to enter a text more than one letter, but it could be one letter also if you're using a string. And see out means so you're able to print something to the screen or the console. But you see when you do see out, the operator symbol, these two less than signs is facing this way. And for example, the see in means so you're able to print something to the screen. So for example, this string, so I'm able to enter a text. I named the variable name, but I didn't give it a value. Otherwise, it would have been like equal. Then I would gave the value of whatever the name was. So since I left it blank, the see in part facing that way, and that the name. So I typed in, what's it called? Put the name there. So that means I'm able to give a value to name right there. Then whatever, so right there, the next line is going to say, hello, my OG. Then right there, whatever the name is that I entered, then end line. So if you don't use end line, I'm just going to run it quick. And for example, let me bring this down a little bit. It says, yo, will your name be? Then whatever. So now I can give it a value. It says West. Then it says, hello, my OG West. Then, for example, let me show you what happens if you don't use end line. Because you don't need the end line. But if you don't use end line, the code looks more messy. And it keeps it on the same line. So right there, run that bad boy again. So what, yo, what your name be? Let me make that a little bit more clear. Oh, snap. Whoa. There she is. So do the same thing. West, say less. Then see how it says, yo, hello, my OG West, and it says enter a number. No. You don't want it looking like that, I'll tell you that. So now we'll remove all that bad boy right there. Bring it back. Say less. So now I'm going to do an example from scratch and do the if and else statements. So we'll do one that deals with grades. So it says grade. Then, for example, you want to do CN. So when you're doing CN, you don't necessarily want to give it a value. But if you don't have like a C out statement, it's just gonna be like grade. Then you enter a random number. It's gonna be like, it's just gonna show you the grade without any context or like showing you what's going on. It says yo, so it's gonna be like, yo, what? Oh snap! Grade are you in, family? I love coding because you can make it sound like just like you. Can't wait to make the game I'm about to make. It's gonna be hilarious. So for example, now I can do C in. So the same thing I'm doing up there pretty much, but just doing it live. Then grade. Then boom. Then C out. You don't have to do the C out at the end, but like, because for example, okay, I'll show you what happens if you do it with the C out. Makes it more sweet, I guess. Yo, you are in, what's it called? So when you do this grade right here, let me just give you an example, right? Let me just end this right here, for example, and run this. So it's not really gonna look cool or sweet. It's gonna be like kind of like, wait, what the heck? Yo, what grade are you in, family? So let's do 10. So you are in 10, which is like, what the heck does that even mean? So for example, so over here, right, you would do what's it called, the little quotation. So you're able to type in more text since you're already doing a C out. Then let's just say you would do 10th grade, space it so it doesn't look all fit in there. Then the other operator symbol, so you're able to finish it off properly. Then now we'll run it. Then right there, West, say less. What grade are you in, family? So let's do 10th. Yo, you are in 10th grade. So now it looks better. Then for example, let's go to the if and else statements now. I'm gonna do the same example with this grade example. Yo, that rhymes. Yo, brother. Yo, I'm blessed. Say less. Like, share, subscribe, baby. Let's go. Yo, keep me active. keep me activated. So for example, int grade, right? We'll do the same exact thing. Then don't give it a value. Then for example, see out. I don't know why I deleted the whole thing. What grade are, no, I don't even gotta do that. For example, I'll just do that. Sure, why not? Whoa. What grade you be in, cuzzo? Okay, here you go. CN grade, boom, bing bong. If, then right here, when you do this little parentheses right there, so this is what this means. So it means that you're entering a condition right here. That even the parentheses, I don't even know, I can't even think right now, but we'll just go with that for example. So you enter those right there. So that means you're entering what's it called, a condition. So you do grade. This means less than. So you need some math. You need to know some basic math, I guess. This means greater than. This means equal to. This means less than or equal to. This means greater than or equal to. We can do anything you want to do. So let's just say if grade is equal to, let's just say greater than 9th, then when you do this, the double bracket, right, that means you're entering a statement. So that's the part you need next. So if your grade, so anything could be in this little box right here. It doesn't have to be 9. It could be whatever you want to do. And it could be greater than or equal to. It could be less than. So for example, if your grade, then you get, then whatever happens to whatever you're typing in here, which is a cout statement, it's what happens if your grade is greater than 9th grade. So you don't need an else statement. I'm gonna do one with a if and an else, then I'm gonna run the other one. So don't forget, you always need like this little quotations right there, otherwise it won't work. So cout, print something to the screen. If your grade is greater than 9, yo, say less. You are ready for, no, what the heck am I talking about? For high school or something like that. Whoa, I'm tweaking, family. Is that the lick? Not messing with you. Say less. So I want to run it without that. So you could do an else statement, but you don't have to do an else statement. So I'll bring that bad boy down so you guys can see. Let's just say Bob or something like that. Yeah, what grade you be in, cuzzo? Let's say 10. So it says, yo, say less, you're ready for high school. Then, so here's the else, what the else does. So the else pretty much means like this. So the code is gonna run, right? If is you type in anything that's, what's it called, not greater than 9, right? Then it's gonna give a statement like what happens or if you didn't type anything greater than 9. So else, so if and else, so if you didn't type anything greater than 9, this is the statement. So the 2 double brackets right there. Then cout, so you're typing something to the screen. Bing bong right there, the quotation. Yo, my man's relax. You are still too young. Doesn't mean the person can't be smart enough to take like AP classes or be in high school, I guess. But you get what I'm trying to say. It's like a quick example. Then we'll run that now. So there she is. What grade you be in, cuzzo? Let's just say 3rd. Yo, my man's relax. You are still too young. So let me give you an example, right? Let's just say you type in 9. Hold on. Yo, my man's relax. You're still too young. So where I'm from, high school starts in 9th grade. So greater than, then we'll put the equal sign right there. So now, so if you type in 9, for example, it's gonna be like this. It says, yo, say less, you're ready for high school. So right here, So this is a if else. If else if statement. So for example, right here, right, I'm gonna do a nested one in the next video. So this one, since you guys already got like the hint or the vibe of it, says int number. So it means you're dealing with integers. Number. So enter a number, cn number. So you type in a number. So if your number is greater than 3, the number is greater than 3. If the number is less than, what's it called, or greater than or equal to 2, this number is less than 3. Then if it's not neither any of those, you enter less than 2, fam. So for example, I'll run that. So there's 3 different things, but you want to kind of avoid this in your code and use switch case statements because this one gets annoying. So WM, that means Westmonti, boys. 20, I don't freaking know. Says, say less, you're ready for high school. Enter a number. 3, boom. This number is says enter a number. Hold on for a second. What did it say? Hold on for a second. Okay, greater than 3. See, because I didn't do the greater than equal to that part. That's why I said that. So it's greater than 3. That's why I said less than 3 before that. So for example, you do 1. Oh, okay, that works. Okay. Enter a number. 1. This number is less than 2, fam. That's the else one right there. So let's do 2. So we're gonna see all of them pop up. Say less. Hold on. Oh no, we have to do 1 for that one to pop. Oh, that could be 2. It could be 2, yeah. What grade you be in? Let's say this. Hold on. What happened? Less than 2. Yes, there you go. Okay, hold on. Did that one actually? Let me see if that one. I have to run that back. I wasn't really paying attention. This number is less than 3. Okay, yeah, it did work. Okay, so they all worked. So from that example, you guys understand the vibe. After this one, I'm gonna do a nested if and else statement. This video is kind of long though, but I'm pretty sure like after this, people should get the hint. I'm blessed. Say less. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna finish this beer one time for the boys. Listen. Hell yeah, brother.